I can't promise that.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose for my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose for my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose for my gun.
Oh, I guess we're not packing much. Don't tell me I made a mark in her mom. Oh, I did. I'm so sorry to Gavin's mom. I definitely just put a skid mark in her grass. I feel bad. So I set up my bike, I pull out my new camera, and I forgot to put an SD card in it. So now we gotta go to Walmart to get a new SD so I can take pics out here. What? Something smacking around my chest. What is that? Oh, it's my strap. Keeps sketching me out. Hey, friend, he's on a supermoto. Friend, you do wheelies? You do wheelies? You do? Hey, Eddie! Look at that sign language talk. You know him? Me either. Yeah! Let's go! I'm so glad he picked up on my lingo. Yeah, boy. That thing sounds juicy. Oh, I'm having such a good time. Dude, all you gotta do is give me a day off work and my bike and I'm good. I'm good. Somewhat decent weather. Oh, that's all I need. No Mamas wear. I don't like the winter. I don't like the winter. There's air getting into my armpits. How? Yo, can I get a peace sign in the comments so freaking Gavin can get a full suit? I'm pressuring all you guys to pressure him to get a suit. I already told him he needs one. So he needs to wear some freaking gear. He rides like I do, probably a little bit crazier bikes. Hello. Sick decals. Well, hey. Oh, I don't know what cops are up here.
I said, who cares? Cause you never really care, but you know I will always be there for you. Even though you stab my heart behind my back. I said, who cares? Cause you never really care, but you know I will always be there for you. Even though you stab.
That was good stuff right there. Oh, A1 quality. I'm putting that all over my steak. A1 sauce, baby. A1. Woo! Wow, you got that way better than I do. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's these boots, man. I never used to hit neutral. Ever since I got these boots, I've been flying a little.
Voices in my head keep replying up against me. Why should we be friends when all I see is empty? Ready, set, go. If you leave me down, how far will you? I said,
I don't know where we're going. Okay, don't wave back at me then. Dude, I'm loving Gavin's energy so much. Oh, did you get a hip? He got a cramp. Did you get a hip? No, I don't have hips. See, just like I was talking about earlier. Sometimes I just say shit and it doesn't make sense and you guys have to live with it. Wow. Oh yeah, it's turned off. I turned it off. Knocking wheelie. Dude, I've been up there and then the rear wheel will spin and like I'll go to shift gears and it just slams down, dude. Yo. Yeah, that's exactly. Yeah, and then your nuts go into the tank, dude. This is what I love about bikes. Like, the fact is, like, if I didn't have a bike, I mean, I'd probably be home playing Call of Duty. But instead, I'm like going out, taking pictures, having a good old grand time, baby. Arby's. What's their slogan? Arby's. We have the meat. Oh my gosh, I love my bike. We're good. I'm just happy. He thought I was flipping out. I didn't think he would be able to hear me. That's the funny thing about motovlogging. Like during the summer, I feel like everyone's gonna be able to hear me, and they're like, "What's wrong with them?" People in cars listen to me talk to myself. Gavin knows what we're doing. Did you miss it? Go straight. Okay. Oh, crap. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. Oh, my God. So nice! Ah! Dude, I really don't have words sometimes. Like it's just like I get flustered with so much happiness, and I say this every freaking video because it's so true. It's so true. Like I was put on this planet to ride bikes. I mean, I have much more to give to you guys. Like you guys don't even know. But for the hobbies, like that, I'm here for that, baby. Woo! Let's go! Oh boy! Oh. Miss me with that BS. Why you always lying? Why you always lying? No my God, stop lying. You shoot flames? Sick. I can hear it. I can hear it. It was like whomp. Boom. Hello. Excuse me. Steaks, ribs, claws. Is that like? That doesn't even look like a place I'd really want to eat. Whoa. Whoa, 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 oh my gosh, that looks sick. Oh, they're so, oh! Cam wants to take pics here. You need new brakes. You need new brakes too. Oh, I definitely did it on that light. I'm not gonna do that just yet, because it says 35 miles an hour. I think it's just a big long turn. Let's go, baby! You had to ruin it!
You think I'll be pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't make the things I've had to face. Girl, you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change.
Oh, baby, it feels great. Oop, there's a little bit of rocks on the ground. Excuse me. Did he just kick that? Which way do we go? Oh, this way. Gavin, I trust you. Whoa, there's sediment in the ground. A little bit of dirt. Don't worry, I'm not gonna go past you. I don't know where the heck I'm going. Wait, whoa! I like that! Oh! Boy, baby! There's so many cool spots out here.
You break your bed to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption. I stopped asking for forgiveness, 'cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get to the clouds. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment, 'cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change.
These roads are amazing, man! There we go.
Down there a little bit further, you can actually see out like kind of that way more tricky. Well, it's kind of
You're right, we should be like here. Yes, move them. You just kind of like gradually want to go up. And like you'll start to learn how far back you can really go. Like I pretty much, I shit my pants sometimes because like I'm going far back.
To
But
make me feel again.